Hello and welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset the Hinge app. If you are having difficulty in resetting the Hinge app, then this video tutorial is for you. So let's begin the video. First, open Hinge app on your devices. When you open the app, the home page will appear on your screen, and go to your account settings and go to settings here. Now scroll down to the last page of the app and click on delete or pause account. Give a reason why you are leaving the Hinge app. Now choose whether you want to pause account or delete account. I am going to delete this account. Confirm if you want to delete the Hinge app. Now your Hinge account is deleted and your Hinge app is reset. This was it for this video. Hope you like it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.